Today we're talking about wall decorations for toddlers' bedroom, specifically little girl toddlers. Hi, I'm Linda with Life on Summerhill and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future episodes. So Life on Summerhill is a home decor DIY website, and I love to bring you ideas and inspiration and do-it-yourself projects so you can create a beautiful home for you. So like I said, today we're going to talk about wall decor for little girl toddler bedrooms. And we're going to start with an accent wall. An accent wall is a great way to go big for a toddler's imagination. And in my little niece's bedroom, we did a mural, a rainbow mural, and it was super easy. And I actually have a video telling you how to do this and a blog post with even more detailed instructions. So I will put a link to those in the description below. So the second thing you can do to add imagination and fun to a toddler's room is you can use art to put on the wall. And one of my favorite things to do, and this is a way to save money, is to buy art from Etsy. And these are printable art pieces. So I actually have an Etsy shop and I do have some printable art. So I'm going to put a link to that below. But basically you just log into Etsy, search for what you want. Once you find it, you pay for it, download it, and either print it on your printer if you are looking for like an 8 by, a sheet of paper size 8 by 11. Or you can send it to a print shop. Like I have sent things to Walgreens, like this piece in my daughter's laundry room. In her bedroom. We sent that to Walgreens and had them print it like a picture. And then, but in my niece's room, we sent this one to Office Max and had it printed 20 by 30. So that's a cheap and easy way to add art to a little girl or little boy's bedroom. Another fun idea, and you can actually get your kids involved in this one, is making a Pom Pom Garland, or you can make a tassel garland, or just make any kind of garland, like this banner that I made for the 4th of July. That also would look really cute in a toddler boy's bedroom because it's these beautiful pastel blues and reds. So this would be cute in a boy's room. Or you could do a pom-pom garland like this rainbow one we did in my niece's bedroom. We simply hung it over the mirror, but you can hang it on the wall, you can hang it on the front of a bookcase. There are just so many places you can hang up a garland and decorate their bedroom. Okay, next on the list is clocks, and a lot of people don't think about putting a clock on the wall in a child's room. So you can put a clock that they can learn how to tell time on, or you could just buy a beautiful decorative clock, or it could even be a vintage or just a garage sale clock. I could even see finding a really cool looking vintage cuckoo clock and putting it in a little girl or little boy's room. And even if it's not an old one, if it's like a cuckoo clock that you don't mind painting white to go in a girl's room, that would be cute too. Okay, next are shelves. Shelves are a great thing to put on the wall in a boy or a girl's room. So in my little niece's room, we put these shelves up and then we decorated with all kinds of fun things like books. We put a cute little rainbow figurine on one shelf. We used it for storage for baskets, and she uses those to put some of her toys in. We also have other fun ideas. There's just so many things you can put on shelves that are mounted to the wall. And another good thing about shelves that are mounted to the wall is if you put them high enough where they can't reach them, it's a great way for you to put cute little decorations that they've received as gifts that you don't want them playing with. So that's another fun idea. Okay, so another way to decorate the walls of your little girl or little boy's room is wallpaper or wall decals. I have a whole post that has some great ideas on wall decals and wallpaper, and I'll put a link below. It is just little girls' ideas, but it's a great way to decorate their walls, and decals are super easy to put on the wall. So you can find them in Etsy, you can just search online, and there are tons and tons of fun ideas. Okay, next is mirrors. With mirrors, I would say safely hang them where they can't touch them, bump into them, or hurt themselves, or make sure they are very secure to the wall. You do not want a mirror to fall on a child. So, but mirrors are a great way to make a room feel bigger if it's a tiny little bedroom. My daughter had a very tiny bedroom when she was younger, and so we had a really big mirror up against her wall, and it doubled the size of her room, and you would have never guessed that her room was that small. Okay, last is chalkboards. Chalkboards are a fun way to decorate the walls in a child's room. And what I like about chalkboards is it gives them an opportunity to color, and you can get different colored chalk and they can make their own design. You can even work together as a family and do like a chalkboard design for a holiday, or you could do a chalkboard design for a season like spring or summer. Or you could play games on the chalkboard like tic-tac-toe and other fun things like that. But chalkboards are a great way to add a decoration on their wall. Here's a chalkboard in my house where we took an old bureau mirror and I painted it white and then brushed some gold paint on top of it. And then we hung it on the wall and painted a chalkboard finish paint in the middle. And that's so simple. I have a DIY on how to do that on my website, and I'll put a link to that below. But just make sure that that frame is nice and secure to the wall. You don't want it falling on your child. So what did you think? Did you get some fun ideas to decorate your toddler's bedroom? I hope this has been helpful, and I hope it has inspired you to get in there and to just add some imagination and decoration to their room. So one little last bit of advice is to look at a theme or a design style when you're picking out decorations for their room. So like for my niece, it was rainbows. Rainbows, she wanted anything rainbow. So that's what we went with. We started with that accent wall, and then we pulled all the colors from that. So you could do like a little outdoor space theme for little boys. You could do a princess theme for little girls. There's so many ideas. And I hope you have found this helpful. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you soon.